Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, subject teacher, Maths. Today I shall discuss about Cartesian product of sets. That is my lecture number 13. To know about the Cartesian product, we have first to know what is ordered pair. So at first, ordered pair. Ordered pair. Let A and B are two sets. আমি ধৰি ললো যে A আৰু B দুটা অংক। Then by an ordered pair, we mean a pair AB, it is within the first bracket, such that first component A is belong to the set A and second component B is belongs to the set B. As for example, let A is equal to 1, 2. B is equal to 3. Then, taking the first component from set A and second component from set B, we can form some pair. That is 1, 3. 1 is from set A and 3 is from set B. 1, 4, 2, 3, 2 is from A, 3 is from B. 2, 4 are called ordered pair. Equality of ordered pair. Equality of ordered দুটা ordered pair বৰ সমতাটো. Let A1 B1 and A2 B2 are two ordered pair such that A1 B1 is equal to A2 B2. A1 B1 equal to A2 B2. Then first component of this ordered pair will be equal to the first component of this. First component of ordered pair is A1 equal to A2 and second component B1 equal to B2. That is, this is equal to this and this is equal to this. As for example, it is in the exercise number 2.1. If x by 3 plus 1, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3, 1 by 3, then find x and y. Yes. Here we see that this is an ordered pair, this is an ordered pair, and these two ordered pair are equal. Therefore, first component x by 3 plus 1 must be equal to 5 by 3 and second component y minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. So we can write x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3 and y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. From this we can get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Now Cartesian product. Cartesian product of two sets. Let A and B are two sets. Then the set of all ordered pair A B in which first component belongs to the set A and second component B belongs to the set B are called Cartesian product of A and B. It is denoted by A Cartesian product, and in set builder form we can write it as A Cartesian product B is an ordered pair such that first component A must belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. We can take an example for this. It is also exercise number 2.1. This is if Z is equal to 7, 8, H is equal to 5, 4, 2. Find Z Cartesian product H and H Cartesian product Z. We can solve it easily. This is Z Cartesian product H. Now Z Cartesian product H. Element of Z are Z is equal to 7, 8. H is equal to 5, 4, 2. So Z Cartesian product H means first element will come from set Z and second element is come from set B in the order pair. For 7, 5 is an one order pair. 7, 4, 7, 2. Similarly 8, 5, 8, 4, 8. Now H Cartesian products. In case of H Cartesian product, the first component will come from set H. প্ৰথম যেটো কম্পোনেন্ট প্ৰথম যেটো মৌল সেই মৌলটো আমাৰ H ৰ পৰা আহিব লাগিব আৰু দ্বিতীয়টো আহিব লাগিব G ৰ পৰা গতে আমি লিখিম 5, 7, 5, 8, 4, 7, 4, 8, 2, 7, 2. This is the Cartesian product of Z and H and H and Z. Now Cartesian product of three sets. Let A, B, C are three sets. Now, an ordered triplet তিনিটা থাকিব ইয়াতে order triplet A B C such that A will come from set A, B will come from set B, and C will come from set C. Let ABC are three set. ধৰা হ'ল ABC তিনিটা সংহতি এতিয়া order triplet যেটো order triplet হ'ব আমাৰ আগতে order pair আছিল এবাৰ হ'ব order triplet ABC such that first component will come from set A, second component will come from set B, and third component will come from set C. Is called Cartesian product of A, B, and C. It is denoted by A Cartesian product B Cartesian product C, where A Cartesian product B Cartesian product B means an order triplet such that first component this belongs to the set A, this belongs to the set B, and C belongs to the set C. We can take an example. This is also exercise number 2.1. Example: A is equal to minus 1, 1. Find A Cartesian product A. We can solve easily with the help of a diagram. So we have first draw the first diagram. That is A set. This is also A. This is also A. A. Element minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. No arrow. This is 1 minus 1, minus 1. 1 minus 1, 1. This is also this is and this is. Now we can write A Cartesian product A is a triplet. Triplet is minus 1, 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 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1. So from 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1. This is 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is all about the Cartesian product. Next class I shall discuss some example for two most important properties of Cartesian product.